Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt dressing for salad. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, which provides a wonderfully creamy base. Then, add 2 tablespoons of good quality olive oil to give it a smooth texture and a touch of richness. Finally, squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice for that essential bright, tangy kick. This combination forms the perfect foundation for your dressing. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard adds a lovely, subtle tang that complements the yogurt beautifully. For fresh notes, stir in about 1/4 cup of your favorite chopped herbs, such as dill, chives, or parsley. Don't forget to season it properly with about 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and freshly ground black pepper to bring all those flavors together harmoniously. Taste and adjust as needed. Customizing your dressing is easy and fun. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply whisk in 1 to 2 tablespoons of water until it reaches your desired pourability. Feel free to experiment with other spices like a pinch of garlic powder or a dash of smoked paprika for a different twist. For a hint of sweetness, a small amount of honey or maple syrup can be a delightful addition. Make it your own. Once your delicious yogurt dressing is complete, proper storage is key. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days, making it perfect for meal prepping. When you're ready to enjoy, simply give it a quick stir and drizzle it generously over your favorite green salads, grain bowls, or even as a dip for vegetables. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.